morning from Silver Lake Trail. This is an attempt actually at a trail that's harder than Ice Lake's elevation gain wise, but it is on a road, not a trail for this part, so less technical. So it's an attempt, nothing adventured, nothing gained. Not fully recovered from Ice Lakes, but we're getting there. So Silver Lake actually goes to old mining outfit, and it's something I didn't know existed. I saw it in a video and I hunted it down on Google Earth because I recognized one of the roads. And so here we are, attempting it. We all know I'm obsessed with mining history, but this hike already 10 out of 10 because I saw an overhead tram system, and I'm pretty obsessed with wanting to see one of those. And I already saw when it was dark, so I'll catch it on the way back. I didn't know that was right outside of Silverton. So if you're visiting Silverton, any passenger car can make it down the first dirt road and you can see the overhead tram system. So here we go, let's climb. It's a little daunting. I'm going over that. Up we go. How did they build those? Like, seriously. They would have gone all the way down. How? Why does the grade not show? Oh, y'all. Wow. Wow. You ready, bud? Yeah. Okay. Slow and steady. Let's go. Have Pop-Tart. You had your snack. Pop-Tart. Yeah, for that. You guys can understand how incredibly steep this is. Whew. Man. It's gonna be a bitch going down too. Whew. 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 Oh, my silver is pretty. See this language here. I don't know how the fuck they built that right there. Like, what the actual? Oh, we're getting closer. I also want to point out, this is technically a cheap trail. I was gonna say, you would have to have balls of absolute steel to do this section. Not the rest of it. That's fine. But this? No way. I don't know who could. Easy. I have a dilemma. There's a snowpack across the trail. A pretty big one. I don't see a workaround at all. So that is the trail. Sorry. So I'm gonna see if I can find a workaround, but if not, this might be it for us. So we will see. We can get through. I don't think so, bud. No, off of that. Nope. Close, but yes, we are. I took off my pack and tried to scramble around. This is all shale. You're going down. And I have not only me, oops, I have dirty face. I have not only me to worry about, but I have fiends to worry about. And it's just not worth the risk. So Mayflower Mine is what we walked through, and I kind of bypassed it trying to find the trail and like doing a few routes. So we're gonna go explore that. And then we're just gonna take a nice leisurely walk down. I made it to 2.5 miles. It's 3.5 to the city, so I know I would have made it. Sorry, there's a Jeep coming up a very steep trail over there. That's wild. So I know I would have made it. So we'll come back maybe later in the season when the snowpack is gone, and we'll try it then. But you gotta keep yourself safe. So, turn around. I gotta keep you safe, bud. Sorry, you're gonna be a little treacherous getting back down to Mayflower. It was a little treacherous getting up here. So I've pushed my level of treacher today, especially alone. So that is the workaround to go up and over. But I don't think you can see how steep this is. I'm just not comfortable with the dog. Not at all. So, not going up there. If I was alone, I'd probably do it. Because I like seeing mines. But he is the most important thing in my life. And I'm already like stressed about getting him down this section, because this was really hard getting him up. I think we might go this way so I can use the wall. Because I can let him go here. Versus here, I can't let him off leash because I'm afraid he'll go over the side. So we're gonna let him go this way. And if you wondered if going down this with a dog who likes rocks is a problem, it is. Just about chased one off the side of the mountain. My little idiot. So the guy on All Trails, who's 65, who did this with a hip replacement, I want to be you when I grow up. I cannot imagine doing this with a hip replacement. I just did the entire section on my rear end. I don't know if there's just a new rock slide or what, but this is really difficult to go down. Whew. Railroad up here as well. I'm gonna have to look into Mayflower more. Oh, the stove here. We just spent a half hour exploring the Mayflower Mine, which is right behind me. This is actually totally worth the 2.5 mile hike. It's good. You get like 1,700 foot gain. So really good, worth it. It's super cool. There's old stoves and railroad systems and smelters. So super cool spot. I am sad that the snowpack got us this year, but we will be back because my body feels so great that I know I can do it. So we will be back later in the season to try it again. I'm even thinking about trying to come out in September. Early September would have to be, to not have new snow melt. So, or snowpack, not melt. I wish it was melt. If it was melt, we would be good. We're so close. If a little chunk would have been gone, we would have been good. But anyways, it is beautiful. I cannot say enough of how gorgeous it is and how I am just so happy with my body and all of the advances it's made in the last couple of years to allow me to do something like this. So this is 2.5 miles. I have 1,700 foot gain. I think we're at 11.3. So had about 1,000 more foot to go and we would have been to town. But we'll come back, right, buddy? We will come back and he will make it. I will just wait till that snow is gone and we'll make it together. All right, heading down. My running commentary right now is that I'm going to have quads of freaking steel after these last 2 hikes with downs, and I hope my coach doesn't think I'm gonna squat anytime soon. Oh, the song Ophelia is stuck in my head because that's what I sang earlier when I thought I heard a bear. So Ophelia, been on my mind, girl, since the flood. Ooh, oh, okay. Oy vey. Y'all, this is what I sound like the entire time. Anybody else talk or just me? I mean, this is like slick craziness. Whew. Whew. Right, Fiends? Ho, ho, yeah. Looks like more of the rail system right there, which would have come from all the way up there. So there's all of this wood that has fallen from that down. I don't know what it is, y'all, but I'm a sucker for the smell of old wood. Like, it just smells so good. No, I don't take any with me. I leave it here where it belongs, but boy, does it smell good. I know, I'm weird. Beans is like, you can't take it, but I can, Mom. No, you can't either. Out. Beans is like, I got it, Mom. I got your wood that you just sniffed. I mean, all right, out, buddy. There's so much of it. How much has slid down the mountain here, and it just keeps going right over the edge. Structures and metal. There's more of that wood. So that's technically our turn, but I want to go explore this snowpack and this waterfall. There are literally waterfalls that are still snow-packed. It's wild. It is actually really cold up here. I have a long sleeve on and I'm freezing. More things. More stuff and things. Crossing it, no. I hear the water. Fiends, no. Just don't know where the water goes. Fiends, no. Hey. We are not crossing that. The sheer amount of debris that has come down is wild. There's ore cars, barrels. I know, that all just looks like rocks. I know, y'all. But it is wild. There's more stuff and things. This is a big operation for as much as, whoops, more stuff and things. This is a really big operation for how much has crumbled to the ground. Sorry, I'm doing a piss poor job. because I'm enthralled, fiends. I've decided, y'all, if anybody can get me close to an ore car, me and fiends in one would be great. Photo op of a lifetime. I'm kind of obsessed with them because that's used to be how like the miners would ride up to these places sometimes, like up and down in those things, and they're literally attached to cable, attached to wood on the side of the mountain. It's wild. Our forefathers, yeah, they had their problems, but they were badass. Like, badass. Anyways, this is amazing. This is the best. Even though I didn't make it to the city, this is beautiful. This is the best. I'm having so much fun. He's still carrying that piece of wood, and I told him if it gets all the way to the car, it's mine. Otherwise, I don't take things. I'm very much looking forward to that sun. I'll have it only for a little bit, and I'm cold. I have my raincoat and which is also a wind shell, but I just don't feel like putting it on. It's a little chilly. So I'm looking forward to feeling that sun. And yes, he still has the wood. Private road down there, but man, I really want to get down there. There's like, I think there's an ore car down there. There's a rail car down there, and then I could go up in here. Whoever owns that road, will you adopt me? And him, please? Somebody's tired. Yeah, this has actually been a little hard on your tootsies too. Yeah. It was a little dark to record this morning, but it's so beautiful. It is aspens and just quiet. You can hear the waterfall still, the creek below. As always, glad I started early, because the OHBers are on their way, buddy. They are. I think I might have just found the most perfect camp spot known to man. And y'all wait. Look what's out here. There's an ore car. I think this is my camp spot. But I don't know that I can get up here. I don't know. Too dark this morning. There are like a ton of ore cars in the air. I can't wait to get close enough to really see them. I know, it's such a silly thing. I love history. I'm a nerd. I enjoy history. And this is just gold. It's things we don't see. Just like that, we're back to the chili girl.